Did you know the Nothing Phone 3 has a feature that could change the way you use your phone? You won't believe what we've discovered. Let's dive in. The Nothing Phone 3 made waves for its stunning design and user-first features. But there's one thing that no one's really talking about until now. In today's world, we're all dealing with the same frustrations, battery anxiety, laggy performance, and features that just don't feel fresh anymore. We need something new, something that enhances the experience rather than just checking the box. But the Nothing Phone 3 is different. It's not just about how it looks, it's how it feels. With a smooth interface, a design that screams innovation, and customization features that give users more control, this phone is built with intention. But what about the hidden feature? How does it enhance your daily use? So, here it is. The secret feature that no one's talking about, the interactive LED strips on the back. This isn't just for show. These LED strips are programmable and can give you real-time notifications, music visualizations, and even act as a customizable status indicator. Imagine your phone lighting up differently depending on your current activity or the apps you're using. So there you have it. The Nothing Phone 3 isn't just another smartphone. Its secret feature is a game changer that makes your phone more personalized and intuitive than ever. What do you think about the secret LED strips on the Nothing Phone 3? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more tech insights, be sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.